Did you know your brain turns innocent sounds into threats when you're alone at night? It's 11:30. You're lying in bed. The house settles around you. A creak from the hallway, your heating system probably. Another sound, the refrigerator or footsteps? Your brain is working overtime now, cataloging every noise, searching for patterns, creating stories. That soft thud upstairs, just the house cooling down. But your mind whispers otherwise. This is your survival system at work, transforming the familiar into the unknown, the safe into the suspicious. When awareness heightens, even silence becomes loud.